Welcome to the demo of Material Management of ebizframeXLenz, a simple-to-use BI-cum reporting tool. Material Management module of ebizframeXLenz comprises of various key dashboards and their sub-dashboards to evaluate the purchases, material, and operational activities of the company by its top management. Purchase dashboard has a sub-dashboard which is comparative analytics. Here we have a choice to select the figure types. This dashboard summarizes the key purchases to see the purchase contribution monthly, quarterly, half-yearly and yearly. Dashboard is sliced by supplier category month, quarter, half-year and year button, which makes it easier for user to determine the required result. Let's select Import Purchase and see the corresponding changes in all the graphs. We can further refine the information by selecting month name. We can also see the results for quarter 1. See what happens when we select First Half button. One-click navigation allows manager to easily drill down from precise data to detailed information. It delivers self-service analytics by selecting various options available in the form of filters and therefore refining data from macro level to micro level. Let's select a supplier name and we can see the value in the table in a graph corresponding to it. This tool provides you with the option of multiple selections and the corresponding table will show results as per the selections. By this tool, we can address any area of the problem by the ability to combine data from multiple data resources ranging from monthly to quarterly and from half-yearly to yearly. Hence, the comparative analysis becomes easier and properly viewable. This dashboard summarizes the purchase contribution of items from the total purchase. This dashboard is sliced into item classification, item group, month, quarter and year. This makes it easier to determine which group of item represents the bigger value of company. Hence allows purchasing manager to quickly identify the main trends in the purchases of raw material. Dashboard here shows the summary of last week purchases as per the current date. We can see the performance of all last week days date-wise. Let's select a date and see its performance in the table in a graph. We can also select multiple dates to compare the performance. Purchase order tracking with its time parameters shows various graphs and tables. Pie chart showing the purchase share in a year. The column graph showing the purchases month-wise for current and previous year. Another column graph shows item-wise purchases in current and previous year. Table is showing item classification quarterly. Top 10 supplier table shows the comparative analysis of supplier in current and previous year. And green and red arrow shows the trend. We can further refine the data by selecting available parameters and extracting the desired results. This detail button will lead us to the other part of the dashboard showing detailed information. We can track the order by using parameters like classification, group, order status, month, quarter, half year and year. Let's track the order by selecting Order Status Closed. We can further refine the data by selecting Month Name, which will show all the closed order in the month of December. Complete details of order tracking table can be seen by scrolling the sheet. Key performance indicators are quantifiable measures that a company uses to compare material performance in the terms of goals. This dashboard shows the available warehouse stock level that you want to reach through planning and an alert indication if the target stock level is violated. Here we can view items below reorder level and items below safety level. Let's see the stock level of semi-finished goods. As soon as we select semi-finished goods, all the respective group names in it get selected automatically and the unselected buttons turns lighter in shade. Click on Top End Supplier button to see the features and parameters of this dashboard. Dashboard here shows top end suppliers and top end countries, and all the parameters like country, state, city, purchases, month, quarter, half year and year will help us to extract exact information that we require. As soon as we click the checkbox name, the graph starts displaying the figures and names at the top of the respective columns, and thus graph looks compact and unreadable. To make the graph more readable, we can click on the graph to zoom it. We can again click to zoom out. Select the country name to see the top 5 suppliers in that country. We can change the view of graph by changing the number n. Click on Detailed button for detailed information. This part of the dashboard is showing the detailed report of the supplies on the basis of parameters like supplier name, purchase type, country, state, city, month, quarter, half year and year. This slow fast moving item analysis lets operation managers to analyze the items that are slow in selling or dead and those who are fast or alive. Users can refine the information using item classification, item group, item name, month name, quarter, half year and year slicer to limit the results to those items whose inventory on hand have not changed. This part of the dashboard is showing the detailed information of slow fast moving items on the basis of various parameters. Overstock items are those items whose available stock exceeds the maximum limit. This dashboard shows the overstocked items, and we can further filter the information using parameters like classification, group and subgroup. All the 4 items with a cross are overstocked items. Alerts and exception dashboards deliver all the important information which is very necessary for material management. Expected deliveries dashboard shows all the expected deliveries for a given time frame. This dashboard shows expected deliveries in a week, month-wise delivery status and total order for current and previous year. We can further refine the data by using the parameters like supplier, receipt status, order status, country, classification, group, purchase type, order type, quarter, half year and year. Let's select Order Status Closed. Graph of expected deliveries in a week is disappeared because it is not the part of closed order status. By selecting the supplier name, we can see their delivery status and total order. Detail button will take us to the detailed information. This part of the dashboard is showing the detailed information of expected deliveries. We can further refine the data by using the available parameters. By order booking performance dashboard, we can analyze the performance by comparing monthly order numbers, payment mode of order numbers, top 10 items and bottom 10 items in terms of order number. We will now select a country name. Let's check its detailed information. This part of the dashboard is showing the detailed information of order book performance for current selection in previous part of dashboard. This dashboard is typically used to monitor the rejected items and the reason behind their rejection. We can also determine the most rejected items. This dashboard consists of sub-dashboards showing stock analysis. Stock positioning dashboard shows the closing quantity of items monthly. It also shows the closing quantity of a group monthly along with the top 10 stock. We can drill down to see the information in detail. Stock valuations measures the monetary value of inventory items, providing a clear understanding of value of stock. This dashboard shows monthly closing of classified goods. It also shows stock in and stock out comparison along with top 5 items. By using detailed button, we can drill down to detailed information showing monthly closing of groups. By this dashboard, we can evaluate stock movement for a given time frame. These green and red buttons shows the status of movement by comparing opening quantity and received quantity with issued quantity and closing quantity. Stock consumption dashboard helps operations to quickly identify consumed value for current and previous year. It also identifies the yearly consumption of stock classification-wise. In addition to this, we can see department-wise consumption of stock. We can drill down to detailed information, which shows the stock consumption area-wise along with department, group, item code, item name, consumption quantity and value. Inventory aging dashboard helps managers to identify the items that starts to get old so that they can take direct actions. The inventory aging dashboard shows the aging of inventory in stock by item category and group. Detailed button will bring us to the detailed information, which answers the question how much of the stock on hand today was received in the warehouse by aging buckets. This dashboard is a good indicator of suppliers' performance in regards with delivery and credit. Material delivery analysis help us to determine suppliers' performance by showing the delivery track record indicating before time, delay and on-time delivery of stock. Purchasing manager can also pay particular attention to the delivery performance of company's top 10 suppliers. We can drill across more detailed information. Here we can analyze each component of POI metrics and determine where the problems are. Supplier Credit Analytics dashboard helps to analyze the credit days offered by supplier. Here we can see top 10 and bottom 10 suppliers in the terms of credit period. Detailed information shows the supplier name along with its order date, delivery date, receipt date and credit period. We can further filter the information using various slicers like country and order status. ebizframeXLenz mailing feature helps executives to make better data-driven decisions. We can click on Send button, which will open a Compose Mail option. After filling all the details, we can click Send this sheet button, which will attach the sheet in the mail. Now we will reach the inbox of the recipient. We will open the mail and the attachment in it. This sheet is still working dynamically. We can also do some further analysis on this sheet. Just carefully observe the power this tool provides you with the feature of highlighting and commenting on the sheet. We can highlight the figures and can comment and can further send this sheet to those from where we seek answer and explanation for the same. So go right ahead and feel the power of ebizframeXLenz.